Free that boy Donald Trump. He was the one that helped out with the community, with the black people, with people that was sick, stuff like that. I feel like, to me, he got my opinion. Free Donald Trump. He deserved to make it right for the USA. He have my opinion. I don't care what nobody said. Free him. Okay, everybody voted for Donald Trump. He is betraying us. You sign all these paperwork, laying down rules and laws, but instead of you should have been doing that, you should have been trying to do something to help the American citizens and the American country. People that stays in the United States, you should be helping